Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change language on Binance. The default language that Binance includes will primarily rely on your locality as it is one of the biggest exchanges in the world. Sometimes it may come out in English by default or in others in Spanish. So how to change language on Binance? First you need to launch the application and tap your profile icon on the top left corner. Go to Settings, scroll down, and look for language. As you can see here, when you tap this language here, there are lots of languages that you can choose from. Choosing your preferred language on Binance on your local language will make transactions easier for you. Therefore, properly configuring this part is important and very useful. It will make the task smoother and it will be a big help for you. If you find this video informative, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.